What is up,
So,
everybody? It's Pedal in the Metal Podcast. You got your boy Chadwick, got your boy Mike. What is up, y'all?
welcome to the podcast. Pedal to the Metal podcast. Let's go.
Another day.
How's your day?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
It's been okay.
Cooking up any good food?
Not recently. With work, I kind of been eating Stouffer's. And recently I had a blackened chicken with spaghetti. So that was delicious. It was like a Parmesan sauce. Very good.
Gotcha. What type of Stouffer's are you eating?
Salisbury steak and mac and cheese, and I got lasagna in there, and some mac and cheese, and that's it.
Nice.
All Stouffer's, baby. Stouffer's the best.
I would have to disagree, but if you like Stouffer's, go for it. You do you.
Why? What do you think is the best?
Making it, having a fresh steak on the grill, a fresh steak on the stove or the grill over a
Oh yeah, obviously make it is the best, but
or cooking up some mac and cheese and using your own cheeses and your own recipe, or
I don't
making
have that kind of time.
making your own lasagna with different layers of what you like on it, specifically different flavors and different meats and different sauces that are high quality. Yeah, that's what I would say is my favorite over the Stouffer's. It's been a while since I've had a frozen meal, man. It's been years. I used to have like a lot of, like when I was working in retail, like you, I guess, like way back in the day, I would have a lot of frozen pizzas because they were like $1 at the time for like a whole frozen pizza, and sometimes I would eat one of those. Um,
Hmm. Nice.
yeah, I do eat frozen food sometimes. Like sometimes I'll have a frozen pizza, like a actual like big one that's like with better ingredients than Stouffer's, but not a big fan of Stouffer's myself.
Like
Ha,
DiGiorno.
the door, it's okay. No, not a big fan of. I mean, I don't even know what the names of the ones are. I forget, but there's this new one that's like pretty good. I forget what it is. It comes from another country, like Italy. No, it's like not even Italy. It was like some other random country. Or it was pretty good. But yeah, just I rarely eat like frozen pizza either though, to be honest. I don't eat much frozen like foods or meats anymore. I've kind of like chosen to eat fresh meat that's never frozen. I mean, sometimes like for example, I bought a 4 pack of steaks and I had and like I ate two of them fresh, but the other two, I put them in the freezer, so they're frozen steaks right now, but I bought them fresh. So I'll eat frozen steak in the future, unthaw it and cook it. But it was still bought fresh, is what I'm saying. So, uh, The microwave, I don't like microwave food at all. I haven't used a microwave in years, actually. I have not used a microwave in many years for anything.
Wow.
Yeah, I think microwaves, not if, like, if I get something that's frozen and it says to microwave it, I'll just stick it in the oven or stick it in the frying pan and never put it in the microwave. I'll figure out another way to cook it. I just don't like microwaves. It's not my thing.
You're funny.
Uh, why you eat a lot of microwave food, I'm guessing.
Yep.
That's easy. All you gotta do is stick it in, hit the button, and beep beep, it's done. It's so easy, so fast and convenient and easy. I get it. I understand it. I know why you do it. It makes sense. It's like you want something that's fast and easy and has at least an okay taste to it that'll fill you up. So, hey man, I like the boxed mac and cheese. I like the Annie's boxed mac and cheese. It's good.
Oh, those are good too.
I only like the Annie's. I don't like the Kraft. Actually, yeah, I would recommend you try some of that. Annie's, it's a good brand. They make gummies, they make mac and cheese. You probably get a mac and cheese bowl from Annie's at your work.
I've had Annie's. They're okay.
Yeah, they're a bit more efficient at what they do and how they source their products and how they manufacture it. It's a bit better than other places like Kraft. A little bit more expensive though, too, but it's worth the extra 5 or 10 cents, which is not much. It's not much more than a Kraft. It's a, it tastes way better too, actually, in my opinion.
Hmm. Do you microwave it?
Yeah, you could probably microwave. I mean, they might have an option. You have to look. You might be able to, like one of those like bowls with mac and cheese in them by Annie's.
Yeah, I would microwave it.
Yeah, I get it. That's all you have to use really at where you probably are working. All you got is a microwave. What else can you do? You might as well microwave high quality food if you're gonna microwave food, and Annie's is pretty high quality compared to uh, other brands for mac and cheese. Tastes good, high quality ingredients. They do it right. I got a box on me right now. Here, let me show you. I'm not even, dude. I don't even work for Annie's. Like, I'm not making money telling you this. This is just like me telling you that I like Annie's. Hold up here. This right here. You seen this one?
Oh yeah, that's some good shit.
And it's organic. USDA. It's organic too, so it's healthier. Um, no artificial flavors or synthetic colors, which is good. Organic cheese from cows raised without antibiotics or synthetic hormones, which is also good. Yeah, this stuff is actually good. These here are the white cheddar shells. I've had these for a while. That's why I had them sitting around. Because I like the yellow. I recommend the American yellow cheese one instead of this white one. It's my favorite. Yeah, better.
Ew, those white shirts are delicious.
Yeah, they're both good, but I like the yellow one better.
Fair enough. You should cook those bad boys up and eat those today.
I'm thinking about it now. Hmm. I actually am gonna do that after this now.
Nice.
Hey, I got some designs I wanted to show you here. Got the this here. What do you think this is?
A fire flame.
Yeah, 100%. I'm glad. Thank you for confirming that it looks like one. Yeah, that's what it is. It's in neon green, but it's also called electric area. That's called electric lime green or something like that. But got this one. You know what shape this is?
Nope.
Me neither. It just looks cool. It's a voltage pink flare. I call it a flare. Uh,
It
yeah,
looks like a squid.
yeah, this one. What do you think?
Looks like a Transformers logo.
Nice. Anything else it looks like? It could be.
I don't know.
Anything else you thinking it could be?
Not that I can think of.
Okay, it's supposed to be a shield, like a shield that you use to fight with. That was interesting that you didn't know what it was right away. How about this one? Pretty obvious.
Or
Yeah. And golden surge short sword. Got this one.
a pot leaf.
No, but I could do that next actually. No, that's a good
A
one though.
three-leaf clover.
Yeah, that's what it is. Uh, uh, this one.
I don't know.
Yeah, next one's obvious.
A cat.
Yeah. Nice. You got it. Oh, I got this one. Oh, this one's kind of cool. It's obvious too.
A flower.
And then these three. Oh wait, now this one's actually pretty awesome here.
Yeah, skull.
Yeah, that one. Let's go. Got this thing. It's actually
Square.
it's actually like a pickleball grip for your paddle grip. You wrap it around your pickleball paddle grip. And I have showed you most of them. But we have obviously this one. Yeah, simple. Yeah.
Heart.
Uh, and yeah, these are the last ones here. 2, 3. Here we go. And my personal favorite.
Pee 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 pee.
Yeah, the peas. This is my logo for my brand. It's like it's coming out backwards on it look like a cube, but it's got the 2 spikes in the back and one there. Made it kind of different and unique. There you go. You
Super pee pee.
which one did you like the most out of all of those?
Super pee pee.
Alright, well, besides the super PP.
I'll need a sword.
Nice. Ah, yes, the sword. It's actually my favorite too. I got that on my paddle that I play with. So, yeah, man, I'll send you the sword in the mail soon. I'll send you one of them. You can
Sweet.
figure out something to do with it. I'll do it like a
Send me the flame too.
All right. Yeah, got you. Sword in the flame. Those would be badass. Figure out something to do with them. Do opening video. Oh, and then I have this is actually so here the flame. Oh shit. So these here, they're smooth. They're made out of American material called vinyl. I cut them with my Cameo 4 machine. That's how I made them. Have the design made, which I made with AI, and then I cut out these designs with my machine using uh, what I call golden surge and electric lime green colors. The colors don't come out good on the computer here, but this is like more of like a neon green, and this is like a bright gold color. And they're smooth. They're good for indoors and outdoors. If you put them outdoors, they'll last for at least a year. Indoors, they'll last for 3+ years. And that's like a minimum. Like maximally, they'll last forever. And if you put them on something and you decide I don't want to keep it on there anymore, you can just take it off and it doesn't leave like residue or anything. It's like you can just take it off and it won't ruin anything. You can put it on and it lasts for a long time, and you can take it off and it won't ruin anything. Uh, so they're really thin, just cool designs. But yeah, they're smooth, is what I'm saying. Like you can hear like how smooth they are, very smooth. But this here is a new material I got. It's a neon pink material. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really rough. It's like it's less strong than sandpaper, but it's rough. Like I can rub my hand on it, it's not gonna tear up my hand. And I'm gonna make those same designs with this material, and they're gonna be put on like pickleball paddles. When you hit the ball, it'll give it extra spin, which is really important. It's like an extra bonus feature that'll make you a better player. And yeah, it's like a same type of thing. It's a sticker. Like this comes off. This is the adhesive below. I haven't tested it out yet. It seems a bit more sticky than those stickers, so I'll have to see if it leaves residue when I take it off the paddle. But yeah, that's the next thing. You've seen it here first, ladies and gentlemen. I shared one of the next products that are going to come out at Piktrik.com for our pickleball paddle skins on the Pedal to the Metal podcast. We did it here. Nobody else has seen that before. Actually, a couple people have, but very few people have seen that material that I'm going to be making them with next, which is going to be huge update in terms of like an awesome new thing. Uh, yeah, you have anything that's like neon colored?
Got a shirt?
What color is it?
Green.
Nice, neon green. Yeah, nice. Uh, also, I have These thank you letters that I have made with my machine too. I had this printed on top, the logo. Each one comes with a card that has a special message on it. And it comes with one of these tiny logos inside of it. I'll be sending you one of these too, but you don't get to. I'll keep the message as a secret. You'll see the message when I send it to you, and you can read it, see what it says. But that'll come with the package. Got
Oh no. The package won't self-destruct, will it?
and here's the packaging that it'll come in. This here, it's a black bag. I just pull this strip off here, rip it off, and there's tape. And I put your stuff inside this bag, and I tape it shut. And I might use a piece of this here, put inside of it. It'll keep the paddle skin flat without like bending. It'll keep it from bending as much while it's in here. It's like a backing paper. And it kind of looks cool too, because when you pull it out, your stuff, it comes out like on this black color. So when you pull it out of the package, see it's like shines off of that better. You can see how the colors kind of look nice on a black background.
Yep.
That's the whole experience there. I might figure out a better way to do that, but that's what I got. I have bubble tape too. I don't know. I might add some of that just to keep it even more safe. Yeah.
You have any other purchases yet?
No, I have to open up shop still. Like you're gonna get this. You're gonna be one of the first people to actually get anything because I'm still opening up my store. Like you can go to the website and look at the website now while I'm still making it, but I still have to like have an official launch, which will be next month in June. I'm gonna launch my store officially in June, but right now is like the pre-launch. You're one of the first people to know about it. Like you can go on the website and see how it changes over the next month and take a look at it. Some cool stuff on there.
Nice.
Yep. If you want to sign up for the email letter, you'll get some cool emails with our latest updates on things. It'll be like what's going on, what we're making next. Like this stuff here is coming out. I'll probably write a blog, and if you're a part of the email list, you'll get the message saying like this is our next material, this is what we're doing next, and like it'll talk about everything about this and what we're doing with it. So the email newsletter, man, join the email newsletter. That's what I'm saying. If you want to come on and have a good time reading my shit that I write with basically with AI. I don't even write the stuff. I just have AI write it for me. I mean, I do. I have to like prompt it. I have to give it the right instructions and have it fix some things. So I do put some effort into it, but like I just have it write the whole thing for me, like paragraphs at a time within 5 seconds. I have a whole thing to send people, and it's like a minute or two of reading time that they spend reading this thing that I wrote in 2 minutes. It used to take an hour to write something like this. It takes 10 seconds, no, more than that, maybe like it takes 5 minutes to get something good right now. It's so easy. It's like,
Dang.
yeah, it's like cheating on your homework, man. I'm cheating on my homework. That's what I'm doing.
How dare you cheat?
Uh, that's what it is.
Very good.
Where are we at? We're at 25 minutes, man. Close this one out soon.
Yep.
Got any more topics before we close this one?
Um, work's been going good. Made a bell the other day.
You made one?
Yeah, cardboard bell. Not too hard. Took
Mm.
half an hour out of my lunch. That sucked.
Oh, you got a bell. Can we see it?
No, I didn't take a picture.
You don't have it with you.
No,
It's like one
it's a
that you
cardboard bell. It stays at work.
got you, but it rings kind of thing.
It's a big square of cardboard that you make, and it's literally a big, big bell cardboard that you make, and you take it out of the bell because it compresses down, and you gotta make one, and it literally once you tie it up, you take it out, and it's called a bell.
Like, how do you spell that?
BAIL, I think. Cardboard bell.
Okay. What do you use it for?
Just cardboard and plastic.
Oh, a bell.
Yeah.
Like to carry stuff on top of?
No, to compress down and it's a compactor.
Oh. To compact the boxes.
Yes. You probably had one at Target.
Yeah, I did. I know what you're talking about. I know 100% what you're talking about. I used one for I would put boxes into the machine. Then there's a button that you would push and it would push down. The machine would come down on all the boxes and push them down and smush them so that it compressed them into a smaller amount of space. But yeah, I don't know what you mean by you made one, because like that's a big machine. You didn't make a big machine. I'm confused like what you made kind of.
I made a bell. I had to actually make one.
What's a like a barrel?
A bell. I had to
Yeah.
replace a
Uh,
bit. Once
uh,
it gets full, you had to make one. You had to
yeah.
tie it up and everything.
Oh, like the wood pieces together?
No, you had to tie up the cardboard
Oh.
once it's
Oh.
full.
So basically what you're saying is you took a bunch of cardboard boxes and you tied them together?
You know, once it's full, how you have to stop it at the end,
Yeah.
and you take those ties.
Yeah.
I did that.
Okay. I think I get you. Yeah, that's a cool machine, man. It's a powerful machine too. It's like it can be it could crush you. It could definitely crush you as a person if you were inside of that machine. It would crush you to a tiny little piece of,
It would kill you.
yeah, for sure.
I could kill a body for Pete's sake.
Yeah. Slowly, it would slowly kill you too. It wouldn't be like a fast death. It would be like a slow and painful death.
Yeah, you never jump in one of those.
Nah,
That's why only 18 and up can use them.
yeah,
But it says on a machine at least.
yeah. That's what's up. It says it on the machine, as it should. How old do you think the machine is they got there? Is it a new one or is it pretty old looking?
I'd say it's pretty old looking.
Yeah.
It has
Uh,
replaced a door on it though.
yeah, they just keep replacing
Oh,
stuff.
one of them.
That makes sense. You like watching it like crush the boxes and everything?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's kind of enjoyable to see it happen.
they're a pain to replace though.
Yeah. You know, boxes are actually like worth something. Like people need boxes, but they recycle them, I guess. I don't know what they do with them. I assume they recycle them.
Yep.
Like if you
But you know,
buy,
styrofoam also a lot of money.
I don't think as much as boxes, but yeah, I mean, probably, yeah. I don't really use styrofoam for anything, but I'd assume if you buy a lot of it, it adds up. But I don't think as much as boxes do, because like they sell boxes at Walmart at the actual store, and they're like probably five plus dollars each. But it doesn't have any like words on it. It's like more like a blank box package. But
Yeah.
like getting different sizes and stuff, it's hard to get the right size box for what you need sometimes. Stores only offer a couple options if you're buying one at a physical store like Walmart. So, yeah, man, it's putting the money into
I wonder
that
what they
grinder.
do with them.
I think they probably recycle them. Probably
I
get
think.
probably get some kind of like cut back on their taxes or something for doing it. Who knows? If they recycle a certain amount of product per year, they get a cut back, maybe. Knowing how things work.
Yeah. Very true.
So, what's your favorite aisle of
I'd
stuff?
say the frozen aisle.
The frozen aisle,
Probably the frozen aisle.
the frozen food aisle.
That's where the ice cream is and
Yeah,
all the frozen food. Definitely the ice cream. I mean the frozen aisle.
nice. Do they have like single serve ice cream cones that you can get, or like something like for like a one-time eat thing where you don't have to buy a whole box?
I don't know.
Eh,
I think this. boxes.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a single ice cream bar.
Yeah.
I think the Walmart's the best place to shop at.
Nice. Do you think it's better than Amazon? I know you use Amazon.
Yeah, you can't buy food at Amazon.
Actually, you can, but it makes more sense what you're doing. Yeah. I've never. Yeah. No. I don't buy food on Amazon, but I know you can.
I would never buy food on Amazon.
Have you ever been to the grocery store called Whole Foods before?
No.
Well, it's a grocery store and Amazon owns it. They actually own it. They own a grocery store chain that they bought. So they sell food on Amazon because they own grocery stores too.
Huh.
They own a lot of things.
Of course they do.
Do you get a discount working at Walmart?
I do. I have a 10% discount.
Oh, that's good. That's nice. Do you have to pay cash or is it like a rule or something?
No, I can pay a debit.
Nice.
Yep.
You don't have to use like the Walmart card or anything. You just use your own card.
Yep. I use my own card.
Nice.
There was a choice where I could use a Walmart card, but I wanted to use my own card.
Oh, that's a nice benefit.
I just didn't see the point of getting a Walmart card.
Yeah.
But yeah,
All right. Well, you want to close this one out?
I guess.
This is the Pedal to the Metal podcast. Hope you all enjoyed. See you all soon. We have the best yet to come. We're only getting started. This is only the beginning of our podcast. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace out. Have a great evening. Have a great day. Peace. There we
Later.
go.